One of the most exciting aspects of additive manufacturing is the versatility of the technique. Applications can be found in almost every industry, in parts that range from simple brackets to complex assemblies with moving parts and many integrated functions. However, with this much versatility and potential, how do you really make sure you utilise an AM to the fullest? Here are some additive industries experts to tell you more.
Customers come to us with different problems. For instance, I would like to print this part, but our current systems are too small. Another issue could be, I would like to reduce my inventory of spare parts and print on demand. Can this be done? Lastly, an issue could be, additive manufacturing has a lot of benefits for my industry, but guaranteeing part quality is a real issue. How do we solve these problems? Of course, I will say we can solve them. But trusting a salesman's word is not everybody's first instinct. Understanding why the problem exists really enables us to determine how it can be solved. By working as one team, throughout the selection of the right Metal Fab 1 configuration, throughout the qualification of our system, and throughout the development of optimized process parameters for high productivity, we create a solid foundation for a long-lasting relationship. In fact, supplying the Metal Fab 1 is only one step in this relationship, since new ideas, new concepts, new innovations always stem from an open environment that promotes communication and knowledge sharing. At the end of the day, everything boils down to three critical things: listening, and communicating.
At Additive Industries, we always want to remain close to our customers and work with them to maximise all the benefits that can be achieved in AM. For these reasons, we have established a global network of competence centres. I am stood outside our UK facility in Bristol, which is located right in the heart of the aerospace region in the UK, and has the highest concentrations of companies using AM. You will hear more from some of our other centres in the coming episodes. The UK Centre core competence is in material development. We believe that developing new materials is the gateway to new applications, whilst process development then drives costs and expands the uses. The industry's state-of-the-art is a single parameter set per material. Yet in a technique as versatile as AM, it makes no sense to have a single parameter set that is used for thin walls of a heat exchanger, for example, and then also on the large mass of a mold tool. To really gain the benefits of all aspects of AM, we like to work with our customers to develop at least part-specific parameters, and then even if possible, feature-specific parameters. For example, in the case of a high-pressure turbine blade, why not develop parameters that are tailored to generate coarse microstructure for creep in the blade, and then fine microstructure for fatigue in the blade root?
My name is Sandra Poelsma and I work as a process engineer within the Process and Application Development team in Eindhoven. Today I'm going to tell you something about the main drivers in additive manufacturing. So it all starts with the question, what is really important to you for your application? What is it? What drives it? Is it productivity? Is it quality? Do you want to hit a certain service quality? Or are there really specific features which you want to have developed further? We can do several things to hit a certain productivity target. Let's say if productivity is a main requirement for your application, then we first would generally explore different layer thicknesses. So we will do 2 or 3 different layer thicknesses and see if we can hit that certain productivity target. But with hitting those different higher layer thicknesses generally, you would have to give in a little bit on surface roughness. But if surface roughness is a major driver again for your application, we could also combine it with research for smaller layer thicknesses. So depending on your part requirements, we can tailor the process parameter set for you. If your main driver is productivity or either quality or anything else, we will develop it for you. So you don't have to choose which parameter set you will use for your production. If you want to get more out of your application, Design for AM is the next step. Alex will tell you more about Design for AM.
Hi, I'm Alex Redwood, Head of AM Design here at Additive Industries. By applying optimized process parameters and build setup techniques, we can fully capitalize on the versatile hardware of the Metal Fab 1. At a part level, The full scan field capability of all 4 lasers across the 420 by 420mm bed enables us to create large parts with high profile tolerance and no stitch lines. Through knowledge of the process parameters and post-manufacturing heat treatments, we can achieve high mechanical performance without compromising productivity. At the same time, we can all but eliminate the need for supports on overhanging features while still maintaining geometric form. So by combining the hardware of the Metal Fab 1 and the ability to tailor process parameters for specific component requirements, we can truly optimize the AM designs for our customers. Adding the automation side of the Metal Fab 1 and high productivity on a volume manufacturing scale can be realized.
Be sure to come back next week to find out more about the extremely important topic of ensuring repeatability of the process and what Additive Industries are doing to achieve this.